My dear students, my dear colleague, today's seminar is on management of hypertension. Actually today's seminar is on inhibitor perindopril plus amlodipine combination and its long-term benefit in cardiovascular disease. We will prove its benefit by ASCOT study, Anglo-Scandinavian Cardiac Outcomes Trial. We know in adult patient there are one hypertensive patient in every 5 and in every 10 hypertensive patient there are 7 uncontrolled hypertensive status. You know there are target organ damage due to uncontrolled hypertension. There are many microvascular and macrovascular complications, you know, mainly neurological, that is a stroke, cardiovascular event and renal event. So there are premature death for uncontrolled hypertension. So control of hypertension is an utmost important thing. You know there are grade of hypertension or stage of hypertension. Today we are mainly concerned with stage 2 hypertension, that is systolic pressure greater than 160. There are some association, European Society of Heart Association, there are NICE guidelines and International Society of Hypertension guidelines. European Society says that in stage 2, in step 1, you will start with dual combination, that is ACE inhibitor or ARB plus calcium channel blocker or diuretics. বোঝা গেছে না? এখান থেকে ACE inhibitor আর এখান থেকে calcium channel blocker, অথবা এখান থেকে ACE inhibitor ওইখান থেকে diuretics. In step 1. In step 2, combination is triple combination, that is ACE inhibitor or ARB plus calcium channel blocker plus diuretics. In step 3, you will use with this addition of triple combination either spironolactone or beta blocker or alpha blocker accordingly, like myocardial infarction, like renal impairment. You will add spironolactone or alpha blocker or beta blocker in step 3. And in NICE guideline says that there are similarity in all guidelines. In NICE guideline says that if patient is less than 55 years old, then you will start with in step 1 with ACE inhibitor. If patient is greater than 55 years old, you will start with calcium channel blocker. In step 2, you will start with dual combination ACE inhibitor plus calcium channel blocker or ACE inhibitor plus diuretics if patient is less than 55 years old. If patient is greater than 55 years old, you use calcium channel blocker plus diuretics or calcium channel blocker plus ACE inhibitor, that is in dual combination. In step 3, you will use A plus C plus D, that is ACE inhibitor plus calcium channel blocker plus diuretics. Okay. In International Society of Hypertension guideline, here is also similarity. Here in step 1, they use dual combination in step 1 and step 2, dual combination. In step 1 in low dose, in step 2 in high dose. What is AC inhibitor and calcium channel blocker? In step 3 again triple combination. In step 4 again you use spironolactone or beta blocker or alpha blocker. Okay, this is the guideline. এখন দেখা গেছে যে AC inhibitor plus calcium channel blocker combination is better than ARB plus calcium channel blocker. AC inhibitor plus calcium channel blocker is said that it is grade A combination, and ARB plus calcium channel blocker is said that it is grade B combination. That is, grade A has more internal validity or more significance than grade B combination. So we will consider AC inhibitor plus amlodipine or calcium channel blocker. Okay, because this combination AC inhibitor plus calcium channel blocker reduces the coronary heart disease and other cardiovascular events by 16% after 16 years risk reduction. It is proved by Ascot study. Ascot study, that is Anglo-Scandinavian cardiac output, cardiac outcome trial. It has two arms, blood pressure lowering arm and lipid lowering arm. In blood pressure lowering arm, it was designed such as that patient was taken 19,000 and
257.
257 patients. In this study, there were 23 female patients and others were male patients. এখন এখানে স্টাডিটা করছে এইভাবে, in one group they given AC inhibitor plus amlodipine, and in one group they gave etinolol plus diuretic to see the comparison whether AC inhibitor plus amlodipine reduce blood pressure more and reduce the coronary arterial event more than the etinolol and diuretics. After 5.4 years, follow-up shows that after 5.4 years, follow-up shows that there are less significant reduction in blood pressure in his group in comparison. But after 16 years follow-up, it was shown that there was significant reduction of blood pressure by AC inhibitor and etinolol group, and there was significant reduction of secondary endpoint, that is all cause of mortality, new onset diabetes, stroke, all are reduced significantly by AC inhibitor and amlodipine group. And in lipid lowering arm, they gave atorvastatin 10 mg in hypertensive patient who have low cholesterol level, that is total cholesterol 6.5 millimole per liter or less than it. After follow-up of within after 3 years 3 বছর পরে দেখা গেল যে আপনার অ্যাটোরোভাস্টিন ইউজ করার জন্য আপনার কোলেস্টেরল and LDL reduced by 1 millimole per liter and cardiac event, stroke, all were significantly reduced. So it was proven that ACE inhibitor and amlodipine is better than older beta blocker plus diabetes combination. So we will consider ACE inhibitor, that is perindoprine plus amlodipine combination in case of stage 2 hypertension for the significant reduction of hypertension and its long-term target organ damage. That is, perindoprine and amlodipine is better to reduce the cardiovascular death risks and stroke and all other mortality causes. That is due to renal impairment, and also it reduces the chance of new onset diabetes. So it is a good drug. It is practiced more than ARB plus any other drug in hypertensive patient. অ্যাসপিরেস্টাইডের অনেক আগে, ঠিক আছে, এটা প্রুভড আছে। আপনারা যদি ইউজ করেন তাহলে পেরিন্ড্রোপিল প্লাস amlodipine. If you do not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get a new video from me later. Thank you very much.